Hey guys, Frequency Frontiers, and today, sent to me by Tidradio, is for a Tidradio H3. I was sent this for free for a video, so here's the video. So let's see what's in the box. All right. So we got our handy dandy instruction manual. Oh, very nice. A little stubby antenna. Gotta have the radio leash. Belt clip. A shoulder mic. A secondary antenna. A charging brick and a charging cable. And yes, it is USB-C charging. And then we got the radio. And they also included another antenna. That is the Tidradio TD-771. Alright guys, so that's the original unboxing of the Tidradio. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And 7-3.